Elon Musk says that the most valuable lesson of his life didn't come from physics or business. It came from his mother. Let me ask you a question that might make you uncomfortable. What if everything you did, every email you sent, every design you created, every decision you made had your name attached to it forever? Not hypothetically, not symbolically, literally. Elon Musk said that the single most important lesson of his life didn't come from physics. It didn't come from engineering. It didn't come from business. It came from something his mother taught him, and he says it shaped everything. Here's the most problem people never confront. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because their standards are too low. They do things just good enough, just fast enough, and with just enough effort to avoid criticism. They ask, what's the minimum I can get away with? And that question quietly destroys their self-image, because every time you cut corners, your subconscious takes notes. Elon Musk shared this. His mother taught him one simple rule: live as if you had to sign your name under everything you do, because that signature should guarantee your best effort. He said this one line gave him more value than any physics book, any business advice, any formal education. Why? Because once you imagine that signature at the bottom, you can't hide. If a rocket explodes, his name's on it. If a car catches on fire, his Tesla's, his name's on it. If he cuts corners, that failure has his signature underneath it. That changes how you operate. You stop asking, what's the minimum I can get away with? And you start asking, what's the very best I can possibly do here? That is self-image in action. Now imagine this. Every email you send, signed. Every presentation, signed. Every conversation, signed. Not for approval, for integrity. Suddenly your posture changes, your focus sharpens, your effort rises naturally, not because someone's watching, but because you are. This is how self-image upgrades your results without force. Here's one rule I want you to adopt. Never attach your name to something that you wouldn't be proud of. When you fail after giving your best, it's completely acceptable. You can learn from it. You can recover from that. But the failure caused by cutting corners, that erodes identity with one cut corner at a time. And remember this, you never outperform your self-image. Raise the standard of who you believe you are, and behavior follows automatically. This isn't about perfection. It's about identity alignment. And that's how real success is built. If this message hit you, you need to understand how self-image actually works and how to upgrade it permanently. Watch the Infinite You lesson trailer on self-image in the description below. It's launching February 2026 because you'll never outperform the picture that you hold of yourself.
With you, a brand new image, a brand new view.